what's the deal? Your boy back with another one, but today, I don't know what's going on with my car. Y'all see that? I don't know what's going on with my car, man. Y'all see that? It's like, it's making crazy noises. I got about 4 lights on. Look like the ABS light, traction control, and my check engine light on. It's like a little information that said no hill assist start. So, I don't know, man. I don't know what that means. We gotta go get this checked out, because I can't be riding around like that. Look, my speed ain't even moving. What do you mean when the speedometer don't work and everything else work? Speedometer don't work. I know I'm low on gas, but I shouldn't do all that. So we about to go get it checked out. I'm about to drop my car off at the shop. By the time y'all able to leave a comment, it'll probably be fixed. But still, leave a comment. Tell me if you a mechanic out there, if you went to school for stuff like this. This is what I should have went to school for. I studied IT, information technology, business, marketing management, and technology. That's what I went and studied for. But I could have studied for this. I could have went to automotive school and trained for this. And I still might do that because, but like I was saying, somebody called me. But like I was saying, I like knowing how to fix stuff. Like, if something go wrong with a computer or, something like that, I can figure it out quick, and get it fixed. But like my car, man, I would love to know how to fix this on my own, because I know it's an easy fix. It ain't showing nothing, man. And then my RPM, I still can get some speed on this mud. Oh shit, it's a lot of potholes. I'm riding through Detroit. We riding through Detroit right now. There's a lot of potholes. I gotta go to the ATM. I gotta get some money out, because when you going to get your car repaired, you never know. You never know. So, what y'all think that is, man? That look crazy, man. That don't look crazy to me. Just because the speed not moving and the check engine light. I hope it's something simple. I went and got a code red on my car at AutoZone. They say I need an O2 sensor, bank 1 sensor 2 for a Ford Escape. So I need an O2 sensor on this. But yeah, man, we about to go get this handled. It shouldn't be a lot. So yeah, I'm doing like 75. Speedometer not working. Check engine light, ABS. We going crazy, man. But we about to take this up to my mechanic, see what's going on, get this O2 sensor replaced. Yeah, man. So you gotta take care of your car and take care of you, man. I need my car. That's how I get around. I really don't see how people out here without cars, man. There's people out here grown, don't know how to drive. Grown people don't have cars. I'm like, what? I need a car, man. I need a car. You can travel anywhere in America, man. You can travel all around. You can drive anywhere. I like getting around, even seeing parts of the city I ain't never seen before. This That's how I learned Detroit, by having a car. I know the east and the west side. You know what I'm saying? I know all the freeways. I know all the back routes, all from driving. So I gotta take care of my car. And y'all see what we're going through. It's just random stuff, man. That's why I made a video, man. Y'all gotta have a little money saved at all times, because you never know. You never know what life throw at you. So we blessed out here that we can take care of this. Need some gas for real though. No cap. Well, yeah, man. We riding on the E-way. We in Detroit. You already know what time we on. It's snowing, man. It's snowing and it's March, man. Fuck this. I'm moving to Georgia, man. I'm moving back to Georgia, man. I need that heat, man. It's snowing out here for real. That's crazy. I need some heat. Gotta have the heat on in the car, man. 74. But it's good. I figured out what's going on. What's going on with my car, you know. Had to do that AutoZone run. It's crazy because with everything going on, they don't even come out, and they can't even. Hold on.
Stay on I-96 West.
Hold on.
Sides for I-96.
I'm talking and just that's how you miss your exit. You know, so they don't even come out to the car. They gave me the test to plug up to my car to see what's wrong with it, and then they printed it out for me.
Use the right lane to keep right in the park and stay on I-96 West. Then take exit 186A.
Social distancing, man. We gotta practice social distancing. So, yeah. Oh shoot! I'm trying to film this video.
Take exit 186A, then merge onto Davison West.
Y'all get to see a little bit of Detroit from my point of view.
Merge onto Davison West, Rosa Parks Memorial Highway Service Drive, then turn right onto Wyoming Avenue.
We have been on Rosa Parks, Martin Luther King.
Turn right onto Wyoming Avenue.
Now we on YO. This is called YO, not Wyoming. It's called YO. Alright?
Continue on Wyoming Avenue for 1.5 miles.
You know what I'm saying? We got a little Asian corned beef right here. Some historic shit went on right here, man. Now, let me just give y'all a little Detroit history. See right here? This was Rocane and Pablo scrapping, man. I know y'all ain't never been on this side of town, but this was I used to over there used to be my little plug over there. You know what I'm talking about? My little plug used to stay. I used to turn right here on Intervene. You know? And then it's like Kentucky, Wisconsin. You see Kentucky? Yeah, man. Yeah, the plug was over there when I used to live over here, man. But they had it hot. Y'all look up Rocane when he was going through. He was scrapping all the rappers, man. that joke was silly. It was like 016. You know, everybody was outside. You weren't outside of 016? I don't know what your ass was doing, boy. But yeah, man. It's the city during this time. We about to go get my car fixed though. Dang, man. This little area bring back memories. This basically Schoolcraft in Wyoming. Gotta get my car fixed. Gotta get the car fixed. Right now we on Finkel. It's Finkel Ave right now, man. Pony down, man.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto James Cousins Freeway.
Alright. About to go to my boys
Turn
up
left
on
onto
7
James
Mile.
Cousins Freeway, then use the left lane to take the Michigan 10 North ramp.
This is my favorite auto shop back when I had the Buick. I used to always take it up here on 7 Mile, so I had some problems
Use
with
the
this
left
car.
lane to take the Michigan 10 North ramp, then merge onto Michigan 10 North.
That's the only thing about a used car, you know, or definitely when you drive, man.
Michigan 10
I got this car at 60,000
2
miles,
miles. Take exit 12
but
for
I
7 miles.
drove this mud. Like, I was driving this mud everywhere. But yeah, I used to always take my Buick up to this place on 7 Mile. Bronson Auto. Shout out to Bronson Auto, man. They about to hook your boy up though. And my steering wheel shaking. Y'all see that? Steering wheel shaking a little bit. Hopefully we can get some answers, man. About to get my baby fixed, man. It's my baby right here. She made me a lot of money, man. A lot of money.
In a half mile, take exit 12 for 7 Mile Road.
Exit 12 on 7 Mile, man. We on the lodge with it. Y'all know y'all heard that song. We on the lodge with it. That's what this is. This is the lodge.
Take exit 12, then merge onto James Cousins Freeway.
About to pull up to
Merge onto
Bronson.
James Cousins Freeway, then turn right
Get
onto
this
West
work
7
done,
Mile
man.
Road.
They say it's an O2 sensor. We're gonna see.
Turn right onto West 7 Mile Road, West 7 Mile Road, then your destination will be on the right.
We're gonna see, man. So y'all see Bronson Auto. Not that many people up here, so we should get some fast service.
Your destination is on the right.
Let's see what they talking about. So due to the Rona, you can't even wait in the lobby, man. Everybody, you gotta wait outside, but I'm waiting on my ride right now. Good thing I came prepared, man. I got me a little tail. I'm about to enjoy myself out here. I like being outside. It's quiet, man. It's quiet out here. I'm all about peace. But yeah, we on 7 Mile right now, but we out here.